We also have another example under the time value of money. So we are going to learn how we can calculate the present value of uneven cash flows. So an investment promises to pay $40,000 3 years from now and $48,000 4 years from now. What is the present value of this investment today, assuming an annual interest rate of 12%? Now, there are two ways we are going to solve this question. So we are going to use the time value of money worksheet. We are also going to use the cash flow worksheet. So let's start with the time value of money worksheet. So we'll press second function, we'll press FE. So this clears the time value of money worksheet. Now for the first payment coming 3 years from now, we are going to calculate the present value. So N is 3. Okay. So I over Y, which is our interest rate, we have 12%. Then we have 0 for PMT. And then for our FE, we'll have 40,000. So we compute PV. So we have that PV is 28,471.21. Now we are also going to calculate the PV for the cash flow coming 4 years from now. So we press second function, we'll clear our TVM value, okay? Now we are going to impute our values. So N is 4, okay? I over Y is 12. Now our PMT is 0 and FE is 48,000, okay? We'll press compute, we'll press PV. So we have that PV is 30,504.87 approximately. So if we add the PV of the first cash flow and the PV of the second cash flow, we're going to have 58,976.08. So this is the first method. Now we are going to use the cash flow worksheet to also compute our present value. So we are going to press CF, okay? So we'll press second function CEC to clear the cash flow worksheet. Now we have that cash flow at time 0 is 0. So we'll press 0, we'll press enter. We'll press arrow down. Now for cash flow at time 1, there is no cash flow at time 1. So we'll leave it as 0. We'll press enter. We'll press arrow down. Also for year 2, there is no cash flow. So we are going to change this frequency to 2. So we'll press 2, we'll press enter. We'll press arrow down. So this CO2 now becomes our cash flow at time 3. So we have 40,000. We'll press enter. We'll press arrow down. We'll press arrow down again. We'll put 48,000. We'll press enter. We'll press MPV. Now this I is our interest rate. So we'll press 12. We'll press enter. We'll press arrow down. We have our MPV. We'll press compute. So we have that our NPV, which is the present value of this investment today, is 58,976.08. So this is how we can also use the cash flow worksheet to solve this, okay? So if you notice, the cash flow worksheet seems faster for this kind of question.